Hi everyone, we are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter counting and number patterns. The lessons we're going to cover today are even or odd numbers on number lines, which even or odd number comes before and after, skip counting stories, and skip counting puzzles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on the grade 2 math. Start with the first lesson, that is even or odd numbers on number lines. Select the even numbers on the number line. So even numbers are the one that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? Odd number, a number is odd if it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So the even numbers are 10, 12, 14, and 16. Let's just start with the test questions. Select the even numbers on number line. So let's just select the even numbers. Even numbers are the one that that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6. So they are 10, 12, 14, and 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. 10, 12, 14, and 16. 10, 12, 14, and 16. Select the odd numbers on number line. Odd numbers, they are 5, 3, 5, and 7. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 3, 5, and 7. Select the even numbers on the number line. So even numbers are the one that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. They are 10, 12, and 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Select the odd numbers on the number line. Odd numbers, they are 13, 15, 17, and 19. Option number 2 is the correct option. Select the odd numbers on the number line. Odd numbers are 3, 5, 7, and 9. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Which even or odd number comes before or after? Which even number comes next? Twelve, 14, 16. So the next one is that is 12, 14, and 16. The next one is 18. Let's just start with the test questions. Which even number comes next? Zero to 4. The numbers are increasing by 2. 0 to 4 and 6. The correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which odd number comes before? So 3, 5, 7. So you need to subtract 2. That is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which odd number comes before? Before for the numbers, if you are going to find the number that comes before, so you need to subtract, right? So 5 take away 2 is 3. The missing number is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which even number comes next up? 4, 6, 8. The next one is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which odd number comes next? 3, 5, 7. The next one is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which even number comes before? 6, 8, and 10. So the one that comes before is 4. 4, 6, 8, and 10. Which odd number comes next? That is 1, 3, 5. The next one is 7. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is skip counting stories. Each closet has 5 coats. How many coats are in 4 closets? How many coats are in 4 closets? So, in the first closet, we have 5 coats, right? The second closet, we have 10. So, they are increasing by 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So, the next one would be 15 plus 5, 20 it is. So, the correct option is 20. Let's just start with the test questions. Each box has 4 bracelets. How many bracelets are in 3 boxes? So the first box has 4 bracelets. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Then for the next one, you need to add 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Option number 3 is the correct option. 12 it is. Each tin has 3 walnut cookies. How many walnut cookies are in 6 tins? So you need to do 15 plus 3. That is 18. Option number 2 is the correct option. Each tree has 2 sparrows. How many sparrows are in 4 trees? That is 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. Each lake has 4 fish. How many fish are in 6 lakes? So each lake has 4 fish. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. Each drawer in the dresser has 10 scarves. How many scarves are in 4 drawers? So which is the correct option? So 30 plus 10 is, that is 40. Option number 4 is the correct option. Each closet has 5 coats. How many coats are in 4 closets? That is 15 plus 5 is 20. The next number is 20. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is skip counting puzzles. Ed started at 90. He skip counted until he got to 99. Could he have been counting by threes? So starting from 90, let's just see if we skip count by 3, can we count 99? So starting from 90. 90 plus 3 makes 93. 93 plus 3 is 96. And 96 plus 3 is 99. So when we skip counting by 3, we have 99. That means yes, he is skip counting by 3. Let's just start with the test questions. Daniel skip counted by 2's beginning at 10. Could he have set the number 30? So starting at 10, let's see if he is skip counting by 2. Can he count 30? 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. So we are skip counting by 2's, we have 30. The correct option is yes. Alexa began at 20. She skip counted until she got to 50. Could she have been counting by tens? So starting from 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, and 40 plus 10 is 50. So yes, he skipped counting by 10. The correct option is yes. Joseph skip counted beginning at 28 until he got to 23. Could he be counting by fours? No. If you skip count by 4, you do not count 63. So the correct option is no. Lara skip counted by 3s, starting at 57. Could she have said the number 81? The correct option is yes. Option number 1 is the correct option. Patrick has started at 20. He skip counted by 5s. Could he set the number 38? No. The correct option is no. Oliver started at 62. He skip counted until he got to 80. Could he have been counting by 2s? Yes, it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. So we were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we were working on is counting and number patterns. The lessons we have covered today are even or odd numbers on number lines. Which even or odd number comes before or after? Skip counting stories. Skip counting puzzles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down on the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.